Set in the heart of Exeter, this is one of England's great medieval cathedrals. From above, its presence is unmistakable, a vast sweep of stone and slate, dominating the skyline, just as it has done for over 9 centuries. This is Exeter Cathedral, a building that is as much a feat of endurance as it is an expression of faith. The story begins in 1112, when William West, a nephew of William the Conqueror, laid the first stones of a Norman cathedral on this very site. But much of what we see today belongs to the 13th and 14th centuries, when Exeter embraced the Gothic style. The result is a building that combines Norman solidarity with soaring verticals of English decorated Gothic. From the outside, this means that the walls carry an immense burden. Yet they do with such elegance. Their flying buttresses act like outstretched arms, bracing the building against gravity itself. Look closely at the towers. They are not identical twins, but a pair of cousins. Begun in the Norman period and later rebuilt. They now stand proud and square, bookending the cathedral with a quiet authority. Unlike many English cathedrals, Exeter has no soaring central spire, and it is in this absence that gives it such distinctive horizontal emphasis, spreading wide rather than climbing endlessly upwards. The west front is a marvel of its own right. A vast screen of medieval stone carving, populated with over 70 figures of kings, saints, prophets, and angels. Weathered by centuries, defaced by iconoclasts, and yet still retaining their power. Each figure carved with individual character, as if even in stone they might step down and join the crowd in the square. But this is a building that has known hardship. During the English Civil War, its treasuries were looted, and on the 4th of May, 1942, a Luftwaffe bomb struck the cathedral during its Baedeker raids. It obliterated St. James's Chapel and shattered stained glass, and yet, remarkably, the great fabric of the cathedral survived. The following morning, the people of Exeter gathered, and work to repair the damage began almost immediately. It was as if the building itself willed them on, refusing to succumb. Exeter Cathedral is not just a piece of architecture, it's the heart of the city. Markets, festivals, processions. Markets, festivals, processions. Life has always radiated from this place. Its bells have tolled for coronations, victories, and for times of mourning. And even now, in the secular age, it draws people in with the same quiet magnetism. The craftsmanship here is extraordinary. Every surface tells a story. The delicate tracery of windows, the weather-softened gargoyles peering from the walls, the carvings that hint at the humour and imagination of the masons who left their marks. They were not anonymous labourers, they were artists, poets of stone, building not for themselves, but for generations yet unborn. And perhaps this is why Exeter Cathedral endures. Each generation adding something, repaired something, cherished something. No one person ever saw it finished. In a restless world, this building stands immovable. Patient, steadfast, eternal. A reminder that human vision, when translated into stone, can outlast wars, weather, and centuries. Exeter Cathedral is not just a place of worship. It is a masterpiece of endurance, of beauty, and of hope, carved into the very fabric of England. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Only 5% of viewers are subscribed. It will really help grow the channel. Thanks.